Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool old Western Electric bell, and this is Dustin's equipment from Iowa, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool bell. Now, Dustin acquired this bell. It came along with a piece of property that he purchased, and he also had an A&E rotary desk telephone that we had in the shop a few months back. And so this is the bell that he found at the property, and he wants to put this bell back in working order. And he's just going to hang on to the bell and keep the patina that's on the bell. It's really cool looking, and it's going to be located on the inside, so it will not be on the outside taking any more weather. The outer cover of the bell is a very heavy gauge metal, so this bell will be around for a long time. Now, this bell does not ring, it doesn't work, and we want to go through and troubleshoot the bell. We need to check all the wiring. We need to check the coil, the solenoid for the bell. We also want to install a modular line port so that Dustin can simply bring in any length line cord, any color that he chooses, plug right into the modular line port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We will be troubleshooting the entire bell while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this cool old Western Electric bell, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair and conversion of this Western Electric bell, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we do have the clapper cover removed so that you can see the clapper move on our final checkout. I'm going to go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll stop the ring cycle. And then we'll go ahead and start the ring cycle again like you were getting a call. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll stop the ring cycle. Now that we know that this bell has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Dustin and he can enjoy this really cool Western Electric bell. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.